Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of x plus 1 is equals to 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am taking this square root of x plus 1 to other side. So it becomes 1 plus square root of x plus 1. Now squaring both sides. So it becomes so with the help of this square root eliminates. So only 2x plus 3 is left. And on right hand side, we can use a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this as 1 square is 1 plus b square is under root x plus 1 whole square plus 2 times of a and b. Now 2x plus 3 is equals to 1 plus, with the help of this square root eliminates. So x plus 1 plus 2 times square root of x plus 1. Now I'll separate the terms. So we'll take all the 3 terms to left hand side. So 2x plus 3 minus 1 minus x minus 1 is equals to 2 times of square root x plus 1. Now 2x minus x is x, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 1 is equals to 2 under root x plus 1. Again, I am doing squaring both sides. So again here, this identity we can use. So we can write it as x square plus 1 square plus 2 times of ab is equals to 2 square is 4 and in bracket x plus 1. So x square plus 1 plus 2x is equals to 4x plus 4. We'll separate the terms. So x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. And minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are going to use the middle term split method. And we can write minus 2x as minus 3x plus x. Minus 3 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, I can take x as common. So what is left? X minus 3. And from the next two terms, again I am taking x minus 3 as common. So 1 is left. So x minus 3 is common. So the next is x plus 1. Now two cases arises. Either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3 in this case and x is equals to minus 1 in this case. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.